All right, so the next exercise on the foam roller is we're gonna really target the lateral portion of our hip here, okay? So we're gonna hit a little bit of the IT band, but that's not really what we're trying to focus on. What we're focusing on is getting into this hip region up here, and then also working down into the lateral portion of our quad. So we're gonna place the foam roller here on this side. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to position myself right on top. The leg that I'm foam rolling is going to be underneath this top leg because this top leg is going to help us navigate and move around. So I'm going to use my arm here as a stabilizer, my other hand on the ground here, and I'm going to roll all the way up and down onto the side of my leg ending down here. And I'll show you guys in a second the other position. Here, and we're gonna work all the way up